shape. We get things done, and like I said, it depends on the amount of snow and how long the snow lasts. But usually we have the campus in really good shape within 3 to 4 hours.
This winter, I actually got a brand new coat just because I wasn't gonna deal with the crazy temperatures last year. This is the park I was talking about. Goose down, rated to negative 30 degrees.
How it works, we work with the police department, University Police Department. If it's a snow event in the evening, they will call us at some point in time when the streets start to get slick. The street crew will come in initially. We try to keep the streets clear at all times. They will call the supervisor, usually at 1 or 2 in the morning if it's that early. We then make the call at 3 in the morning, and everybody starts at 4 a.m. So the idea is to have as much of it done before classes start. So we have about a 3-hour time frame to get majority of the things done. It also depends on the snow. If it's a continuous snow, then obviously we're continuing to do snow removal throughout the day until it's over with and everything is cleaned up.
I feel like that's, I'm not trying to be, unsympathetic, but I feel like that's part of their job. They should prepare for that, or the university should prepare for that. Maybe like hire seasonal staff when they know, there's a crazy winter coming ahead. Like they know this winter, pretty much every, news article I've seen said it's going to be just as crazy, if not crazier than last winter. They should account for that and hire seasonal staff, bump up, workers to clear the roads, sidewalks, whatever they need to do.
We're all full-time. We do not hire any additional staff during the winter season. The 40 members here on campus, or of the staff, do all the snow removal on campus. We have about 8 additional people that are university staff members that assist us in the mornings to do shoveling at building entrances on campus. But other than that, it's our landscape services crew.
I pretty much determined that I'm going to rely on my car if need be to get to my classes on the west side. I'm going to have to pay for more parking now, but that's just a trade-off that I got to do for walking 15-20 minutes all the way over there.
Typically we order about 400 to 600 tons of salt. We have gone through 800 tons before in long winters, cold winters, but our average is probably about 500 tons of salt every year. And probably about 700 or 800 tons of sand, because we add more sand than we do salt to the mix. The sand acts as traction on the ice, and the salt will do the melting of the snow and ice.
So it's a combination.
It's a combination. Depending on how cold it is and how icy it is, it's either more salt to do in the colder situations, and more sand in the warmer conditions.